the pride of the religious. That feeling that I'm somebody, I'm a worshipper, I'm pious, I'm righteous. How do you prevent that feeling from entering your heart? There's two ways. The first is to remember the time before you were righteous, before you knew Allah, before you knew Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. There was a time before that. There was a transition. Allah guided you to that transition. He can return you back. So don't think it was you. It was somebody else. It was someone else. The first, to credit Allah rather than crediting yourself. And the second is to realize whatever I do, it's not enough. To feel ashamed of the good that you are doing, that it's not enough. Allah describes this mindset in the Quran. وَالَّذِينَ يُؤْتُونَ مَا آتَوْا People who present worship to Allah, وَقُلُوبُهُمْ وَجِلَةٌ أَنَّهُمْ إِلَىٰ رَبِّهِمْ رَاجِعُونَ But their hearts are feeling scared. They are trembling. Will Allah accept this from me or not? Will Allah accept our worship? Will Allah accept our recitation of the Quran? Will Allah accept our fasting? Did we do it for the right reasons? Did we consider in that moment that we did this for Allah? Did we want to please people? Did we want to please ourselves? Did we enjoy people looking at us and praising us? Did we think that we're special? Did we think it was from ourselves? Will Allah accept it? We don't know. Umar ibn Khattab radiallahu anhu said, if Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accepts 1/10 of my prayer, I'm happy. 1/10. What's left? What will be left of our deeds? We have to remember this. This will humble us and remind us all good comes from Allah. All mistakes come from ourselves and the shaitan.